Shopping around for commercial truck insurance can take time. Save time and money life better. We can help you save time and money by finding the right insurance for your need quickly. Several type of commercial auto insurance coverage are available today, and it can be overwhelming and time consuming to find the right policy. Commercial truck insurance. Your insurance need will depend on your business and the type of trucks you operate. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration that all motor carrier that at minimum amount of liability insurance to cover bodily injury and property demand claim for other driver. In an at fault accident, you might also want to consider physical demand insurance to provide personal injury protection and coverage for damage to your truck. Aside from these coverage, you may need other type of insurance for your business and specific truck. Your experts can help you find the coverage you need for your commercial truck. Tractor trailer insurance. Tractor trailer operator can haul all kind of cargo and that can come with several level of liability and risks. We understand the coverage you need can help you get the best truck insurance quote to help cover your vehicles and your cargo. No matter what you are hauling or where you are going, you can help you have peace of mind on the road. Dump truck insurance. Driving a dump truck can come with several risks, from the cargo you are carrying to the loading and dumping process. There are numerous factors to consider. It is important to make sure that you have the right insurance coverage you need to protect your business, dump truck, and liability. Box truck insurance. Box trucks are versatile vehicles and can carry numerous types of cargo. From package deliveries to frozen seafood transportations, box trucks have all kind of uses. If you operate a box truck, you will want to ensure that your truck and cargo are protected out on the road. We can help you find the coverage you need to protect your business against the risk that your box truck business might face. Fabric truck insurance. All business that utilize flatbed trucks are different. Flatbed trucks can carry all kind of items. Can your business and wheels will need to be insured against that specific risk associated with your cargo. Our team can help you create a customized insurance strategy that can protect your business, flatbed truck and cargo while you are on the road. Moving truck insurance. A moving truck business can be lucrative but can be responsible for transporting items with significant value. The liability of transporting other goods can come with numerous risks. Our expert can help you simplify the process for insuring your moving truck and help make sure that you have the right coverage to limit the liability to your business and truck. Two truck insurance. Two truck business face many risks associated with hauling other wheels. From towing wheels to storing them, your business could be responsible for numerous types of cars of significant value. To make sure that you are covered from the risks of two trucks operations, you will need insurance to protect your business. Truck and towed wheels, you are here to help you find the coverage you need. Tank truck insurance. Tanker trucks can carry several types of cargo that can be dangerous. Tank truck operators can face significant risk by transporting hazardous material from gas and oil to other chemicals. Proper insurance coverage can guarantee that your tank truck business is protected against damage and liability that could stem from accidents and spills. Let you help you find the right coverage to protect your tank, truck, and cargo. Auto hauler insurance. Auto haulers can carry several wheels at a time and insure significant risk with each car, from loading and unloading to hauling multiple wheels. Auto hauler operators have many layers of liability. However, with the right truck insurance, you can minimize this risk and make sure that your truck and business are covered. We can help you have peace of mind when hauling several wheels at one time. Hotspot truck insurance. Hotspot trucking involves hauling smaller, more than sensitive loads. Hotspot trucks usually operate medium-duty trucks pulling flatbeds or other trailers. Give the difference serious and factors for hotspot trucking. There can be numerous risks to cargo and equipment out of the road. Our experts can help you find coverage to make sure that your truck and cargo are well protected with the commercial truck insurance policy.